moments of my life when I voted for this group of people beyond the president, this group of great people. America has given us an unprecedented and powerful mandate. We have taken back control of the Senate. Wow, that's good.
Former President Donald Trump has secured a second term in the White House, a historic comeback nearly 4 years after departing under legal and political uncertainty. Decision Desk headquarters called the election for Trump after he clinched Pennsylvania and Alaska, bringing him to the necessary 270 electoral votes. The win comes in a contentious race against Vice President Kamala Harris. Trump faced a criminal trial during the campaign, endured 2 assassination attempts, and witnessed a late reshuffle and topped the Democratic ticket following President Biden's decision to step down. The victory makes Trump the first president since Grover Cleveland in 1892 to reclaim the White House after an electoral defeat. His path to victory included flipping key states like Georgia and solidifying his hold on North Carolina, with battleground polling remaining razor-thin until election day. Trump also made gains in the popular vote, a feat Republicans have achieved only once since 1992. Exit polls highlighted a strong turnout among Latino voters, increased rural support, and near parity with Harris among young men, a demographic his campaign had aggressively targeted. Trump's agenda signals a hardline approach. He has pledged sweeping immigration enforcement, extending his 2017 tax cuts, enacting universal tariffs, rolling back transgender protections, and dismantling the Department of Education. In addition, Trump has committed to assembling an administration loyal to his vision. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more news updates.